Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how I made $115 from Fiverr with very easy job. So let's go to the tutorial. At first I am in my Chrome browser and now I will type fiverr.com. That's fiverr.com and it's my gigs. My gigs are getting 624 impressions and 1 clicks, which is not very bad. It's really good. And how I got those amount of impressions, if you want know how I am getting those impressions, please leave a comment in the comment sections below. When I will get at least 5 comments, I will reveal my secret strategy to rank your Fiverr gigs. Sorry, I have a call and I answered it. Okay, so I will show my client conversation. It's my notification, and you are clearly seeing that order completed. You earned $92, $115. That means with Fiverr service charge. You know that Fiverr takes 20% service charge. And my order requirements. Okay, I will show my order requirements. I need to download those files. This job is very easy. Okay, I will show you everything in details. Data scraping, I will transfer to another folder. It's a doc file and it's an Excel file. Okay, I will move this file into another drive. Okay, it's my buyer. It was my buyer requirements. So now the job title was data scraping for UK's professional accountant. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. So it's my data scraping requirements. Okay, data scraping requirements. Most for field required: company name, contact name, company address, contact telephone number. Only four types of data I need to collect from this directory, which is data delivery format Excel spreadsheet. I have to create Excel spreadsheet when I will deliver this to my client. Deliver 50 rows of data by agreed deadline. We will review the data and provide feedback before any further data scraping is carried out. They need only 50 company name, 50 contact name, 50 company address, and 50 contact telephone number. Okay, and which I have to collect those data from this website, which is www.boostfor.co.uk. I will show the live example. It's their website. Find top rated financial advisors, mortgage advisors. Okay, and they have already given an instruction to scrape how to scrape the data. Step 1, go to this website, enter the location in the location box. For example, London. Enter the professional type, always use accountant. So I will go to this and I will type London, and I will select accountant, then go to for search, and then step 2, click on the blue search button. Okay, I have already clicked on the blue search button. Step 3, scrape the following data and enter it into the spreadsheet. Here Andrew Davis and Co LLP, phone number As for an example, yeah, it's their example Andrew Davis. Okay, from where I can collect here's his profile, and from this profile I can easily collect his name, company name and phone number. Okay, step 4, scrape the company address. To scrape the company address, click on the view profile. View profile, that means when I first search on, that means click on the view profile and click on the view profile, click on location, scroll down, then I have to click on the location and scroll down a little bit. Scroll down, scrape the office address into the company address column on the spreadsheet. I need to scrape this office address in the company address column. Okay, now I will show you the Excel spreadsheet data scraping. Here I will put his company name, which is Davis. Okay, this is his company name, contact name is Andrew Davis. Okay, Andrew Davis. Company address, his company address is, you will find his company address, and just you have to click on the location tab and go to the office address, that means company address, which is company address, and then click on the contact telephone number. His contact telephone number is 802-081-66-7217, and just paste on this field company name, company address and contact telephone number. This job is very easy, and I think anyone can do this kind of easy job, and I may make handsome amount from this job, which is $115. To complete this job, I have to spend only 4 to 5 hours, and I made already $115. Now I will go to my profile. I will show you my gigs. Yeah, and this order is my custom order already. Yeah, it's a custom order, and it's my gig. My gig is related to data entry, web research, lead generation and virtual assistant, and my gigs consistently gain 614 impressions, 1 clicks, and it's ups and down. If you want to know how I am getting these impressions, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I will try to make a new video about how to get more impressions, more clicks and orders. The secret is that I have selected low competitive tags in my gigs, so I think I am getting those amount of impressions from Fiverr, and if you get more impressions, you will have a more chance to get new orders and clicks. My last 3 months impressions was almost 2.7k, maybe more than 2.7k, and 15 clicks, 0 orders. I completed these jobs before 3 months ago, and I am making this video now. Okay, I made this video only for motivation. If you can select right tags for your gigs, I think you will definitely get an order from Fiverr. It really depends on your gig impressions and clicks. So it's a little tutorial. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Goodbye.